problem because because do you know I have many channels, right? Because our laptop is always restarting, so the password is keep on asking, but I don't remember my password always. Like the other one, Dave Kigo. I have many Dave Kigo, and so just listen to my review. After this video, I'm gonna show you a fire truck. It came from the Philippines. But actually, I'm gonna show you this. It's Firehouse 6 Plus Star Diamond from the Philippines. I did not finish the fireman, so it's like this. It's like a real one. I thought it's not like a real Lego, the original Lego from America, but actually it's so cool. I just finished this by myself. I did not put some. I did not put many stickers because it will be ugly. So for the next videos, I'm gonna show you our dog from Thailand, but actually we buy it in Qatar, in Suquk. If you want to just visit Qatar, it's so. Today I'm in Qatar, so it's so beautiful here. Okay, thank you. Subscribe.